All right, today is Thursday. How are you? We're going to start with our rhyme production. That means that I'm saying the words, you're repeating the words, and then you're coming up with 2 or 3 words that rhyme with the words we just said. Okay, let's start. Dark park. Okay, you could have said shark, mark, bark, lark. Okay, let's do the next one. Chest, west. Some words that rhyme with chest and west might be nest, best, guest. I'm going through the alphabet in my head and seeing what I can figure out. Okay, next one. Neat, sweet. Okay, some words that rhyme with neat and sweet. Beat, feet, meat. Okay, last one. Vote, moat. Okay, some words that rhyme with vote and moat might be boat, coat, dote, wrote, tote. See how I'm kind of going down the alphabet in my mind and seeing if that ending sound makes sense. Okay, we're going on to onset fluency. That's the beginning sounds. I'll say the 2 sounds. You repeat the 2 sounds. Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, or if they start the same. Thumbs down if they don't start the same. Near noise. Yep, near noise start with n. Absent action. Yep, they both start with a. Reach, march. No. Else, elf. Yep, they both start with e. Tell time. Yep, they both start with t. Okay, I'm going to say the sounds in the word and then blend them together, and then you're going to say the sounds and blend them together, okay? Bet, bet. O, fell. O, well. Hen. Egg, peg. Okay, great job. Now we're going to isolate the medial sound. An, a. D, en, e. Ill, it. Sock, a. Run, a. Good job. Okay, we're going to segment. Get your choppers out. I'll say the word and chop it up. Then you say the word and chop it up. Okay? Sob, sob. Rock, rock. Not, not. Pod, pod. job, job. Okay, great job. Now I'm going to start with an ending, add the beginning sound, and when I go like this, you blend the ending and the beginning sound together, and I will say the word just to make sure you got it right. We're starting with at, add h to the beginning to make at, hat. We're starting with an, add v to the beginning to make than. We're starting with ag, add o to the beginning to make lag. We're starting with app, add n to the beginning to make nap. We're starting with an, add d to the beginning to make dan. Good. Now we're deleting part of our word, the beginning sound. We have the word got without g. What's left? Ought. We have the word fox without f. What's left? Ox. We have the word cop without k. What's left? Op. We have the word hot without h. What's left? Ought. We have the word palm without p. What's left? Okay, good job. Now we're going on to substituting. We're starting with the word cut. Change k to b. And what's the word? But. We have the word but. Change b to h. And what's the word? Hut. We have the word hut. Change h to n. And what's the word? Nut. We have the word nut. Change nut to put, p. And what's the word? Put. We have the word put. Change p to k. And what's the word? Cut. Okay. And our nursery rhyme today is Jack be nimble. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Short and sweet. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, Friday.